Well, hello there, boys and girls. Today, we are going to investigate one little issue with creating a model with just an 8-inch wingspan from a plan that was actually like a 2-page plan, right? Kind of a big plan, larger size from the Flying Aces newsletter, right? So you want to shrink it down and you want to photocopy it and everything, but there is a problem, and that problem is that most of us, because we are quarantined indoors, do not have access to a printer that can print the whole thing on one page. So yes, that means we have to make two halves and tape them together. So here is how I did that. Making two copies and joining them together. All right? I know this is exciting. I know. Tom Nallen's stunningly beautiful plan. Mr. Tom Nallen, who we all love dearly and miss so. One of the stalwarts at the Flying Aces Club. So here's the plan, and here it is, getting ready to be attached. So what I do is I pin them down carefully. You can kind of square them up with a ruler, too. See, we're very sophisticated, of course, here at all times in the Flying Aces Club. Perfection is everything. Not! Anyway, so here is the plan. And then pin it down carefully. Get it nice and straight, so when you look above, it looks nice and straight, right? And then you use this stuff to attach it all along there. How cool is that? Well, it's in a nice steady position. And in our next episode, we shall investigate another airplane, equally successful during World War II combat against the coronavirus. And that, of course, was the Northrop XP-56 Black Bullet. Do you recognize that name, John Koptenak? This is from back in the day, okay? Back when John was like in his 70s, I guess. 1994, yeah, because he's in his 90s now, so yeah. Anyway, here is the awesome Northrop Black Bullet. Right? 16 inches. Here it is shrunk down. And here's my flight engineer on that one. I built and flew this model back in 94 with the help of John Koptenak and his awesome newsletter, Wingovers and Wallbangers. New England-based wonderful Flying Aces Club Society. And here, let's see, where's my models here somewhere. Oh, yes. There's the Black Bullet. There it is. Anyway, I digress. Let's get building the Defiant today. Quarantine. Hope you're all well. Stay well, everybody. Best wishes with all you're up to. Your family, your friends. Hang in there. Don't share germs. Be smart. All that stuff. Signing off. Your friend, Gumby.